Well, if you want to open a bar or want to make a career as bartender, then it is important to have knowledge of bar equipments. So in this video, we are going to show some basic bar tools and equipments. Bar floor mat. These are put on bar floor for hygienic reason and also reduce the breakage if accidentally a glass slips off your hands. Bar mat. These are used by bartenders to prepare drinks. It protects the surface from wet glasses. These are generally made up of heavy rubber with drainage for any spilled drinks, which is later emptied into the sink. Service mat. Drinks are prepared on bar mats and served on service mats, means where bartender place drinks to be served by server. These type of mats provide stability and reduces breakage. Bar caddies. Used for holding cocktail napkins, stirrer, straws, coasters, etc. Bar condiment caddies. For keeping cut fruits and garnish, which are used for making cocktails and mocktails. Glass rack. Glass racks are used to keep glasses which can free up valuable space and keep glasses protected. May be found in different shapes and sizes. Cocktail rail or speed rail. Used for holding frequent using liquor, spirits, mixture. Usually a metal rack is kept on the side of bar working table. Bottle opener. For removing the metal caps from beer bottles or other capped beverages. It is also known as speed opener. Specially used to open beer bottles and allow the bartender to perform tricks and showcase his skills. Similar to this, we also have wine opener or corkscrew, used to open cork of wine bottles. Foil cutter. For opening a wine bottle, foil cutters helps in cutting foil. It will get the job done easier and faster. Instead of these, you can choose waiter's friend or wine key. It can be used as a corkscrew to open wine bottles. You can also use it as a foil cutter. It can also be used to open capped bottles like beer. For full detailed video on waiter's friend, check the I button above and link is also provided in the description below. Can opener. Some ingredients such as pineapple slices, coconuts comes in cans. So a can opener is needed to open cans safely. Wine bottle stopper. Used to store opened wine bottle. Vacuum wine saver. It is also a stopper used as a cap. Vacuum pump is used to pump out the air from the bottle in order to keep the wine longer and lasting. Champagne bottle stopper. Similar to wine bottle stopper, we also have champagne bottle stopper for keeping used and open champagne by sealing it with champagne bottle stopper. Pour spout. It helps to manage the serving size of drinks and also reduce the wastage. Pourers are placed on the top of bottle to pour out consistent and even sorts of liquor and mixes. Jigger. As spouts are used to serve and jiggers are used to measure spirits or liquors or other mixer. To serve the correct size consistently, you need jigger available in different sizes. Cocktail shaker or glasses. A pair of steel shaker is used to shake beverages placed inside, typically liquors, syrups, ice, fruit juices, etc. After vigorous shaking and mixing, drink is poured into the customer glass. There are a variety of shakers available in the market. If a cocktail shaker contains 3 parts, that is a large shaking tin, a tightly fitted top with a built-in strainer and a cap, then it is also called cobbler. Cocktail strainer. Well, if your shaker doesn't come with a built-in strainer, then you will need a cocktail strainer. It is used as a pair with cocktail shaker to strain extra foam, ice or other substances from the drink. Mostly used to create cold drinks without ice. The strainer is placed on the mouth of shaker which let the drink pass through, leaving the ice in the shaker. Most common brand used is Hawthorne strainer, made from stainless steel and fits most professional shakers. Juice container, for keeping fruit juices sorted by different colors and also convenient while pairing drinks at bar. Some color coding of juice bottles is on your screen. Juicer. Some customers prefer fresh fruit juices instead of packed one, so juicer is needed. Use a standing hand press juicer if you are making a lot of juice based cocktails. Blender. Similar to juicer, you can also use blender for chunkier juice, so you need to strain it first. Citrus squeezer, to squeeze a lemon. Ice maker, well, for making ice. Ice kit or mold. You can also use different mold with unique shape for making ice cubes in different shapes and sizes. For example, spherical shaped ice cubes for bourbon or whiskey on the rock. These containers are mostly made up of silicone. Ice bucket. It is used for serving ice on guest table along with an ice tongue. Ice scoop. It is used for scooping ice cubes and pieces of broken ice. Ice curser. Many cocktails and mocktails require cursed ice, so ice curser is used for cursing ice to right consistency. Ice shot glass mold, used to make ice shots for special cocktails and mocktails. Fill these molds with water and put in freezer. Muddler, used to muddle herbs, spices or fruits to bring out the aromatic flavor and infused into the drinks. Some cocktails are muddled directly into serving glasses. Bar spoon, used for mixing drinks. Gently stir the ingredients to the right dilution without breaking down the ice. Bartender also use it while pouring a second liquor or mix down along the stem of the bar spoon, creating a layer. So it is also used to create layer drinks. Absinthe spoon. Now we also have another perforated spoon with attractive and unique design, used for dissolving sugar in a glass to counteract its bitterness. Sugar cube is placed on the top of spoon and it is rested horizontally on the rim of glass. Chopping board, to chop or cut fruits. Paring knife, mainly for cutting skin from fruits and vegetables. Channel knife, for providing twist-shaped garnish by peeling of fruit skin. Peeler, for peeling you can use peeler also. Rimmer, well, if you want to make drinks like margarita, then required a rimmed glass edge. Rimmer help to create perfect rim of salt or sugar. Choose the one with multi-trays. Talking about multi-trays, we have margarita tray with 3 separate layers for lemon juice, salt and sugar, used to apply salt or sugar on the rim. Jester. Some drinks such as dry martini or cosmopolitan needed a dusting of lime or lemon on the top, so jester is used to obtain zest from lemons and other citrus fruits. Whipped cream dispenser. Some drinks require whipped cream, so a whipped cream dispenser makes your work easy and looks more professional. Glass washer. As the name suggests, glass washer is used to wash your glasses. It can be very useful during peak hours. Well, here is the summary of all the bar essential tools and equipments we have discussed so far.